us take another one. Talking about make money online or online businesses. You can maybe you sell clothes or you sell any products. You can come to YouTube here and create content about it. Like I say, be real, so that when people order for this particular thing, they will see it. Or you teach people how to own a business online. There are marketplaces everywhere around. Facebook, Temu have a marketplace where you can actually open your own, become a vendor. If you want that video, I will create it for us. Yes, I will drop it. Now, example, like I said, concerning make money online businesses, freelancing, dropshipping, side hustles. You can introduce side hustles. You can do videos. You can create content talking about side hustles. Real side hustle, legit side hustle, legit one. All right. So for make money online, their CPN is about $15 to $50, and their RPN is about $6 to $25. Imagine how much they make. Imagine how much they make. All right. So, but like I said, the summary they gave here is that needs trust plus consistency. Needs trust and consistency. Do you know what I'm saying now? Need trust. You know the trust I'm talking about? The trust I'm saying is when you review a particular side hustle for people and people are not seeing it working, there is no consistency in the information you have passed to them. What do you think that will happen to you? Some of them will unsubscribe you. Some of them will stop coming to watch you or view your this thing. Please be real. Alright, so let's talk about another thing. Software is another niche you can venture into. Software, SaaS, tech tutorial. Alright, so now you see example is AI to software review, coding. Okay, if you are good with coding, please start creating content too. Do you know how much they make? Their CPN is about $15 to $45. Their RPN is about $7 to $30. Hey, AI tools video, they are booming right now. You know, you can see all this example. You see all this folktale story that people tell with animation. They use they use some AI, generated pictures, and they create their video, they create their content. They use from AI to ChatGPT, guide their script. If you want, I will also make a video about that. Please comment below. Leave your comment below, because me, I will only do video on what you need. Okay. So another one is digital marketing. I mentioned digital marketing earlier. I don't know if I did I? Okay, even if I did not, digital marketing. Example: Facebook ads, Google ads, SEOs, email marketing. You can do all these things. Advertiser pays a lot more. Like they pays a lot. They pays a lot for this particular niche. All right. Facebook, you can start creating Facebook ads, Google ads. Start email marketing. No kind of a thing. Be telling people what you can do. Teach people. Education/online courses. Now, at the end of my channel, I just started a particular niche concerning education, like where I teach people about the little I know about nursing courses. So I have that video. Maybe I'll just put the link of that video if you're interested. I can just go and watch it, but I want to focus more on this particular channel because when I've been changing niches when I didn't know about this. Remember, I discovered this yesterday and I have to do the video today. I started to open a channel today. Now I have been changing niches, and when you change niches, you are actually changing the algorithm of that particular channel. YouTube will not recognize you anymore. That is why you need to be stable. That's why I'm telling us that you say you want to open a YouTube. I want you to be a YouTuber. I'm telling you, be a YouTuber, become a YouTuber. Because of what there are money inside. YouTube will pay you. YouTube will pay your bills. YouTube will make your dream come to pass. Now, I have been changing niches, and that's why I've been changing my algorithms for that particular channel. I said, okay, let me come and start with this channel. But in my mind, I want to help people. I want to start throwing out, let me start giving out my information, everything I've been learning. I don't want to be keeping it to myself again. No, it's not good. So another one is education. If you can teach, if you can tutor, if you can direct, please come and open. Choose this niche. This niche is actually another high-paying niche on this YouTube. All right, you can tell people about exam preparation. Yes, our exam is forthcoming and I'm preparing for the exams, and I'm also using the video to actually tell people on how to prepare their on during the exams. Okay, so if you also want me to, no problem. So another one is certification. You can actually give a hint. There's Allison website you can go to and get certification. You can learn a lot from Allison. Okay, the another one is skill tutorial. Okay, you can teach skill, you can teach people about skills. Okay, if you know how to place hair, you know how to do this, you can start creating content. You can focus on that particular niche. That's under education. I'm mentioning this, all right, because I want us to know the particular place we are falling in. So for education, their CPN is about $10, $35, $5 to $20 their RPM. So let's talk about health. This particular one I want to talk about now. This health is a non-medical advice. See, when you want to create health videos, like I said, I don't know, my first channel, the channel I told you about, that I have 270 subscribers. The reason is because I've been changing niches on that particular channel, because I didn't know this information. I didn't know about this. See, let me tell you guys for free, one channel should have one niche. If you want to own like 5 channels, it's not a bad thing. YouTube permits it. It's not a bad thing. But make sure you reuse your content. Don't ever reuse your content. Don't ever reuse your content. Are you hearing me? One channel should be having one niche, so that YouTube will understand what you are doing. You understand? So that YouTube will understand what you are doing. So for health, talking about health, please, if you want to go into health niche, please just know that it is a non-medical advice you are going to be releasing on that channel. Don't be saying that this I'm giving you what will work and it must work. No, don't give medical advice. Give a non-medical advice. Avoid medical claims. It works. It has been working for me. Don't do that. All right. So example of the things you can actually do on that particular channel as a health niche, or someone that is in health niche. One is that you can talk about fitness, weight loss, nutrition. Yes, you can talk about the food that is good for a diabetic patient, the food that is good for a hypertensive patient, the food that is good for patient with viral disease. Or you understand, talk about the food that can actually make us to live longer. Of course, create videos about different kind of nutritions. And that's it. Talk about weight loss. Doing this and that will help to, non-medical advice, like I said. Fitness, you talk about this, just exercise, go for this type of training, or do like this, do like that. It can actually help you. So it's another niche. It's an example of a person talking about health niche. Please avoid medical claims. Be careful. So another thing is real estate. Real estate, I mentioned it earlier. Now if you're into real estate, please, you can actually venture into this particular niche. You're talking about property investing, housing market analysis. I said many people want to venture into investing their money, but because of fake people out there, is making them scared. So now be the real person that will come into the platform and start telling them about how to invest into this particular property. Teach them on how to analyze markets. Teach them on how to locate or identify fake or real. Do you understand? They make more. You can talk about their CPN is about $15 to $60. For their RPN is about $57 to $35. Now, when you talk about that health I mentioned earlier, sorry, I did not complete it. $10, the CPN is about $10 to $30. The RPN is about $4 to $18. So for real estate, about $15 to $60. RPN is about $7 to $35. And this is very hard because advertiser what they need it. Advertiser uses this type of content to advertise their particular what. There was a survey I was doing, and that particular survey is all about real estate, the investment I've made, all this kind of a thing. You can see what that is. Okay, so legal/law, all these people into all these things, but remember, you must say education and not professional advice. Not to come and consult me and I will put this person into bar. I don't know how to put it. I don't know. Behind the bar. Okay, fine. Don't come and give professional advice. Rather, come and stay what? Educational. Come and tell people the right. Okay, let me now tell you, for example. Legal advice, right to education. Right to education. Now, I was taking a course yesterday, and the course is about the needs of a child. The needs of a child. And they define a child as any human being below the age of what? 18 is a child. And another thing is that definition came from right of the child in 1989.